Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on face recognition and face detection using OpenCV, using DFace library, using FEAR library, using DLIV library, using MTCNN library, and latest videos. Today we are going to see VGGFace model. We have gone through two videos on VGGFace2 library, that was face recognition and face verification. Only two videos, because it is not that much easy to do videos on VGGFace2 library, because lot of complexities are there for modeling and detection. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about VGGFace model with face recognition and detection. As we see, system captures, in my video, today's video, system captures real-time video input, detect face and accuracy recognizes individuals, their facial embedding with data. Now, first of all, we will execute the face recognition part. Yes, name. Yes, face has been accurately recognized. That is the power of VGGFace. You can see here, name is not seen because it is in the color that little bit, so my face is recognized, no problem. Also the name is there, you can see here. Okay, 50 samples saved to Sanjay. I have also pickle files, we can see here in data. I have pickle files for name and this thing. Now we will see the training part, important part. It will take some time for training part. Yes, we will execute the training part. Yes. It will recognize Sanjay, no problem. Yes. Yes, very accurate. Yes, Sanjay has been recognized. Fine. Sanjay has been recognized. Yes. Yes, Sanjay has been recognized. Yes. Sanjay. The names are coming. Yes, training, no problem. Yes. Here process is going on, please be patient. Yes. Distance should be proper. Yes, now the distance is proper. Yes. Fine. Yeah. Done. Sanjay has been recognized. Yes. That angle should be proper. That's all. No. Yes, fine. Yes. So it has recognized 2 to 3 times, so it is more than sufficient. So I will Okay, fine. Now so I successfully done with face recognition and face detection in really different style using VGGFace model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace model. It's really tough to do videos on this topic. A lot of so I will try. I will be also back with MTCNN, if possible NLP. So for latest update of machine learning, keep watching my videos on YouTube channel sanjaymahajanyoutube.com. Thanks for watching.